This one we check water, why no auto stop. The example from the government water don't have, but the motor still running. So the problem auto stop. So this one no control auto stop water pump right. Now check why the not auto stop. Check the water. This one why no auto stop. This one capacitor. Capacitor this one 50 to 60 cent every con 28 microfarad at 5. So I check the wire very strong to no auto stop. This one I check this one. This one the for control the water stop. Example water don't have. This one don't auto. This one water don't have. This one auto. Okay, but now this one water from outside the government no have, still running auto, so have problem auto. So I check the controller, the water why don't stop. Did the water don't have? So I check the switch this one for the see the very strong. If the very strong, so very hard to control the water. Okay, now I check this one. Check nut, yeah, something loose because very strong spring. Have the spring inside very strong, and I testing this one. Yes. It's something water strong. And spring have working. It's spring have working, so motor the auto. Okay. Now I testing. Okay.